So here is a question 2 and it having first question that check whether this polynomial is divided by t square minus 3 or not. So for this process again we will start our division method. Here t square minus 3 is given, so we will check the power. First we will check the power of p of x, that it having arranged form or not. So it is in arranged form. So here we will check that it is not in arranged form. So first we will arrange it. So here we have to write that will be t square. We will add by ourselves 0t and then minus 3 we will write it as it is. Now here we want 2t raised to 4 means t square we want as well as this 2. So we will multiply this with 2t square. If we are multiplying it with 2t square, it will become 2t raised to 4. Here is plus and it is multiplying with 0. And this t square will multiply with t and it will become t cube. Plus and minus will become minus over here. 3 2s are 6 and t square. So here you can see all the terms we solved. Here we will change the sign. If it is plus it will become minus. If it is plus it will become minus. And if it is minus it will become plus. Now here this term will cancel out. This will filter out means 3t square t cube will remain as it is with the symbol plus. Here plus minus will become minus. 6 minus 2 will become 4t square, but the symbol of the greater number which is plus, so we will write plus over there. Now here we will take down one term down, that is minus 9t. So now here we need what? So here we having t square and here we want t cube, means one extra t we want as well as this 3. And the symbol is plus, so we will write plus 3t. If we are multiplying with this 3t with t square, it will become 3t cube. Then we are multiplying 3t with 0, it will become 0t square. And if we are multiplying plus minus will become minus. 3 3s are 9 and t. If we are changing the sign, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. So here this term will cancel out and here we have to write that is 4t square. Here 9 is minus and 9 is plus, so this term again cancel out. Now this term becomes 0, means it is 0t. And here we are taking down that 12 with symbol, means minus 12 we have to take down. So here now we will see our question. It is t square and here also t square. We want 4, so we will simply multiplying it with plus 4. So 4t square, it will become 4t square. Plus will plus and 0 will, if we are multiplying anything with 0 it will become 0 only. That is plus minus, it will become minus, and 4 3s are 12, so we will write 12 over here. Here we will change the sign. It is plus, it will become minus, it will become minus and it will become plus. This term will cancel out. This is only 0 and this term again plus and minus, so it will cancel out. Our remainder is 0. So here they change the question. They not ask us what is quotient and what is remainder. They ask us that p of x is divided by q of x or not. So we will write our answer. Yes, 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 is divided by t square minus 3. For the exercise 2.3, question number 2 and its question number 2 we will solve. First we will check that it is in the form or not. The p of x we will check that it is in the form or not. means it having power 4, 3, 2. Here power is 1 and the last term is a constant term. And here again we will check that it is in the form or not. The square, it having power as 1 and that is the constant term. So both are in the form. So here now we not have to add anything. Here we have to do is that it is square and it is x raised to 4, means extra x square we want as well as this 3 we want. So we will multiply this g of x with 3x square. So it will become 3x raised to 4. The symbol is plus, plus, plus means here no symbol is there, means plus is there. So plus plus we will become plus. 3 3s are 9. X square into x means x cube. And that is plus 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 3 1s are 3 and x square. So we will write plus 3x square. Here we have to change the sign. It will become minus. This one will become minus and again this one will become minus. Now we have to remember this sign. So we will cut out this. Now here plus minus will become minus. Means 9 minus 5 will become 4. X cube will remain same. And the most important thing we have to remember always is that symbol of the greater number, which is minus over here. So we will keep minus. Minus minus will become plus. So 7 plus 3 will become 10 and x square. But here again the symbol of the greater number is minus. So we will keep the sign as minus. Now here we have to take down that 2x. So we will write plus 2x. So here we got our new term. So now here we have to again multiply with that. Here we want x cube and we having x square. So we want 1x as well as that 4 as well as this minus. So we will multiply this whole g of x with minus 4 and x. So it will become minus plus 4 1s are 4. This is x square and x means minus 4x cube. That is minus, that is plus, plus minus will become minus. 4 3s are 12 and x into x, x square. That is plus minus will become minus. 4 1s are 4 and that x. Here we will change the signs. Plus will become, minus will become plus. Minus will become plus and this minus again will become plus. This first term is in minus and this is in plus, so we will cancel out. Plus minus will become minus. 12 minus 10 will become 2 and x square we will write as it is. The symbol of the greater number is plus, so no need to write minus over here. Plus plus is plus means 4 plus 2 means 6x and the symbol of greater number is plus, so we will write plus over there. Now we have to take down that plus 2, so we will take down with symbol means plus 2. Here we having x square and here we want 2x square, so we will simplify with simply multiplying it with 2, so we will write here plus 2. 2 1s are 2x square. That is plus 2 plus 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 3 2s are 6x and that is plus 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 2 1s are 2. Here we will change the sign. If it is plus it will become minus, if it is plus it will again become minus, and if it is plus it will become minus. Plus and minus term will cancel out, plus 6 minus 6 will cancel out and plus 2 minus 2 will cancel out and our remainder is 0. So what they ask, they not ask us to find quotient and find remainder. They ask us that to find whether our question p of x is divided by q of x. So we will write yes, 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So here for the exercise 2.3, the sub question question 2 and it having third question. So again we have to check whether the p of x is divided by g of x or not. The first thing we are doing, that is it is in the form or not, that we have to check. So here we can check that it is x raised to 5. So one term is missing, means the term with a degree 4 is missing. Then all terms are in the form. So here we will add plus 0 x raised to 4. Here again we will check it is x cube and the term x square is missing. So we will add plus 0 x square over there and then we can divide. So here we will see. So here now it is in the form, as you can see. So here we want x raised to 5 and we having x cube. So we will multiply it with x square. So this x square and x cube will make x raised to 5. That x square plus multiply with 0. So it will become plus 0 x raised to 4. Now that is minus, it is plus. Plus minus will become minus. That 3 ones are 3 and x square into x will become 3x cube. And x square ones are x square. So we will write plus x square over here. Now we have to change the sign. So if it will become minus, it will become minus. This one will become plus and this one will become minus. So here first term will cancel out. This 0 term again cancel out. Here we having minus 4 and plus 3. Plus minus will become minus. 4 minus 3 will become 1x cube. So we are not writing 1 over here. It is x cube only. And the symbol of the greater number, which is minus. So we are writing minus over there. Now this is in plus 1x square and this is minus 1x square. So this whole term will cancel out. Means here on the place of this we can write that is 0x square if we want to write. And here we have to take down both the terms. So here we will take plus 3x as well as that plus 1 over here. Now here we will check. We want x cube. We having x cube but we having minus x cube. Means we don't want x. We want minus 1 over there. So we will multiply this whole g of x with minus 1. So if we are multiplying it with minus 1, this minus into x cube will become minus x cube. If we are multiplying it with 0, plus minus will minus. No need of sign because 0 is there. So you can write 0x cube also. Sorry, 0x square. Here minus minus will become plus and 3 ones are 3x. So we will write plus 3x. And that is minus plus will become minus and 1 ones are 1. So minus 1. So here we have to change the sign. This minus will become plus. This minus will again become plus. This plus will become minus. And this minus will become plus. So here this term will cancel out. One thing is plus, one thing is minus. 0 is 0. So no need to write anything. Here is plus 3 and here is minus 3. We will cancel out. And here is plus plus will become plus, means remainder we are getting as 2. So here is our quotient and here is our remainder. So they ask us check whether the p of x is divided by g of x or not. So here we get some remainder. So we will write an answer as no. X raised to 5 plus 0 x4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 2. And if you are skipping this plus x raised to 4 which is not given in question, that is also okay. So you can directly write our same question, that x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus 0x square plus 3x plus 2 is not divided by x cube minus 3x plus 1.